Hey, what's up, guys? It's GioWicks here. Today was one of those days, a bit choppy, slow, honestly, and a little frustrating. I started strong with a nice winner off the 15-minute orb on the top step for the comeback series I'm working on. Um, then I decided to take a trade later on in the day as well, like probably around 11, 12 o'clock, and took a bit of a loss there, which brought me down to like $26. So I mean, and it got a little bit worse than that. So I decided to just leave it at $26. Not the best, but definitely a learning experience. So yeah, let's look at the trades. And all right, so the first trade was actually pretty simple. Wait about the 40 about 45 945 947 as you can see on the screen. It was just a nice setup for the 15-minute orb. I had a stop market sell right under the orb low. Once it hit, it actually just went down quite a bit. I did end up taking a profit quite quickly, about $40, which then brought me up to like $99 for a day. And this was the first trade that I took on the day. Yeah, it was pretty clean, simple. Again, right off the break with a 15-minute orb. So after that win, the market got a bit choppy, and even though I saw what I thought was another good setup, prices didn't follow through. Maybe I forced it a bit. The market just wasn't giving clear signals. Either way, I should have probably waited a little bit longer, or even cut my losses on that a lot faster. Instead, I held it for a bit of a loss, which took me from $100 down to like just $26 for the day. Again, I held this one on too long. I should have probably gone out at a loss of $25, which usually is the 50 ticks um, stop loss. So it's 50 ticks loss to 100 tick win. But yeah, this is my second trade, and once I got stopped out of this one, it was pretty much done for a day. It just kept chopping. It stayed within the 15-minute orb, and there was no real clear direction for the market, so I did not want to risk it, especially when I'm trying to bring the accounts back from $375 to the $2,000 drawdown. I went ahead and created a Excel sheet for the trades I'm taking, overall P&L for the accounts, and what we have left to come back from. So just again, not like the numbers are now perfect, or the formulas are now perfect, but pretty much what I decided to do was just put a $2,000 drawdown, ended up taking a $1,625 loss to leave me at $375 on the drawdown. $60 yesterday, plus the two trades I took today at 51 and 49, and then the third trade that it took that brought me down to $26 for the end of the day, leaving me with $1,539.72 left for me to go ahead and bring these accounts back to the $2,000 drawdown. Nice little chart over here set up or whatever to show us a daily movement. So not every day will be a win, but as long as we learn and stick to our rules, we're on the right track. If you had a day like this, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your stories. And if you're trading the Top Step Challenge, good luck out there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this. Maybe it'll help someone out that's trying to come back as well, or build a small account slowly. Don't forget to check the other social medias and also join the Discord. It's a free Discord. Every type of level of trader there, and everyone's there to help each other out. So yeah, you guys have a good day. Stay blessed, and don't forget to own your trades. Peace.